Python has a feature called date time, but you do have to import it. So if you look at this example, you'll see on line 4 that I've imported date time from the library date time just by saying from date time import date time. Now there's one thing you need to be aware of, and that is you can't call your Python file the same as the library. So if you were to call this datetime.py, that's the name of the datetime library. So it's just going to get confused and tell you you're trying to do some circular stuff and it doesn't like it. So just be careful when you save any Python files that use external libraries that you don't use the same name as the library that you're importing. So here's how it works. On line 7, I've created a variable. I've just called it right now. And I've made that equal to datetime.now. And then I've just told it to print right now. So if I run that, you can see it prints 2024-04-03. So it gives me the year, the month, the day, the time, and even down to time fragments of seconds. So that's how you basically find the date, time, etc. Now, you can, when you print these, add extra things to the end of them to just give you like sections of it. So on line 11, I've told it to print right now, but I've put .year on the end of it, and you can see here I'm just getting the year there. So if I was now to paste this and change this to month, now I will get just the month, which in this case is April. And the same thing again if I just wanted the day. So instead of year, I would do day. And that breaks it down to today's date. And again, if I want just the hour, then I can just change that to hour, like so. Okay, so that's a fairly straightforward overview of the date time feature. So if you're writing a program and you want it to display the time and the date, or just the year and the date, then obviously you know now how you can do that.